Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to run the DISM command with the limit access option while you are booted into the Windows recovery environment from a Windows 11 bootable USB. This method is super useful if your Windows installation is corrupted and you want to repair it using only local files without pulling anything from Windows Update. So let's get started. First, we will need to create a Windows 11 bootable USB by using Windows 11 ISO file. You can follow the on-screen instructions for step by step. Okay, once done, we need to boot into the Windows recovery environment from our Windows 11 bootable USB. Plug in your Windows 11 bootable USB to the computer's USB port. Now restart your PC and boot from the USB. You may need to change the boot order in the BIOS or UEFI settings. When the Windows setup screen appears, click Next and then click Repair your computer. Now go to Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced option and open Command Prompt. Now you are inside the Recovery command prompt. Here's something important. Drive letters don't always match up in recovery. Your Windows installation might not be on C drive here. So let's find out. Type disk part and press enter. Then type list all and press enter. This shows all your drives. Look for the one that your actual Windows partition. Note, when you are in the Windows recovery environment, the drive letters are often different from what you normally see when Windows is running. Inside Windows, your system drive is almost always C, but in WinRE, Windows assigns drive letter dynamically. The recovery environment itself might take C, and your actual Windows installation could show up as D, E, or another drive letter. That's why you must note the correct drive letter, because every DISM command will reference that path with /image : your system drive letter : /. But here in my case, the recovery environment still shows Windows installation as C drive, as you can see. That's mean I don't need to do any extra detective work. So I can just run DISM command directly on C drive. Next, you will need to identify your bootable USB drive letter. As you can see here in my case, my removable drive letter is F. Now exit from the disk part by typing exit and press enter. Alright, now we know where Windows is installed. Now here comes the main part. The /limit access switch tells DISM not to use Windows Update or any online sources. It will only use local files from your USB and image. This is exactly what we want in recovery mode. To scan health, type DISM space /image your OS drive letter / space / cleanup -image space / scan health space / limit access and press enter. To check health, type DISM space / image your OS drive letter / space / cleanup -image space / check health space / limit access and press enter. If you see the error message, then you will need to restore the health with USB as the sources. First, locate your install.wim or install.esd file on the USB. F : /sources / install.wim, where F is USB drive letter. To see which Windows edition are inside, run this command DISM space / get -wim info space / wim file your USB drive letter /sources / install.wim. This will list all editions like Home, Pro or Enterprise. And each one will have an index number, as you can see. Now run the restore command like this. DISM space / image your OS drive letter / space cleanup -image space / restore health space / source wim your USB drive letter / sources / install.wim 6 space / limit access. Replace C with your OS drive letter. Replace F with your USB drive letter and replace number 6 with the correct index number for your edition. For example, number 6 is usually Windows 11 Pro. Verify the command. Once you confirm, then press enter. Now keep patience until the repair process is completed. Once DISM finishes repairing your system image, then type exit and press enter. Now turn off your computer and remove the bootable USB drive from the computer's USB port. After that, turn your PC back on. If everything went well, Windows should boot back up normally with the repaired files. And that's it. That's how you run DISM command with limit access from recovery environment using Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Actually, this process is lifesaver when Windows Update is not available or when your system files are too damaged to fix from within Windows itself. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.